We will guide you through how to make a rotate transition in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer and locate CapCut by searching for it. Open the CapCut desktop application from the search results and wait for the editor to load completely before continuing. Begin a new project or access an existing one, depending on whether you are creating a new video or continuing a previous edit. Import the video clips you want to connect if they have not already been added to the project. Place the clips in the correct order on the timeline so they meet exactly where you want the transition to appear. Select the Transitions tab from the toolbar at the top of the editor to access the available transition effects. Allow the transition library to finish loading before searching for a specific transition. Enter Rotate into the Transition search field and wait for the matching results to appear. Browse the available Rotate transition effects until you find one that best matches the style of your video. Choose the Rotate transition by clicking it to preview the animation. If you are satisfied with the preview, insert the transition between the two clips by dragging it onto the cut point on the timeline. Customize the transition length to control how long the rotation lasts. A shorter duration creates a faster spinning effect, while a longer duration produces a smoother and more gradual rotation between the clips. Continue previewing the edited section after each adjustment to ensure the effect matches the pacing of your project. Replay the edited section to confirm the clips transition cleanly. Watch the complete project from beginning to end to verify every transition plays correctly and creates a consistent visual flow throughout the video.